everyone, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the best day here in Pattaya. May I hear a big loud applause, please? Thank you so much. This is such a great start of the day, and I would like to extend a very warm welcome, all of you distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to our event today, the 10th South and Southeast Asia BRAIC Conference and Exhibition 2025. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mim, and it's great, and I'm very delighted to be here once again and have a chance to welcome all of you back to our event. And talking about today, is so honored to have with us all the esteemed speakers, experts, and visionaries that are shaping our industries. And of course, these 2 days of conference will be packed of the presentation from other keynote speaker that we have been inviting them, and also the Q&A session that will be open for everyone to have a chance to ask questions or even share your opinions, and of course, most importantly, a chance to networking for all of us in the industries. So now is the perfect time, I think, to start the day. Without any further ado, I would like everybody to get to our event, the 10th South and Southeast Asia BRAIC Conference and Exhibition 2025. Allow me to invite Mr. Bunyawat Thira Pravetkull,